I will begin my story with my personal life. Now I work as a freelance. I'm individual entrepreneur. In such a way, I have been working for more than 20 years. So I can say that me as a high sensitive person has luck to work in a very comfortable way, to do what I like to do and in my own pace. But I would also like to tell you a little bit how I came to it. Because for me it was a big surprise that I'm a high sensitive person. And when I look back at my biography, I see that there have been a lot of signs saying that the difficulties that are characteristic to highly sensitive people, they were present in my life. Some of them I managed to overcome. Intuitive, some of them were very challenging. For example, in the early 2000s, I paid a lot of attention to practice the concentration of my thinking in order to concentrate my elevation in some way and to be able to work in consulting. Or when I was very young, I did some autogenic trainings in order to gain more security in myself. I never told about it to anyone. You are the first people who hear about it. And when I was a small child, I always wanted to have a silent harbor where no one will bother me and where I could do whatever I want to do.